Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share your profile in the Vinted app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Vinted app, and here it usually opens up in the home menu. But from the home menu we have to go into the profile menu. We tap on profile, and here at the top there is a view my profile button. We tap on this, and here in the top right corner we find three little buttons. We tap on these buttons and then tap on share, and then we can copy the URL or select the application to which we want to share our Vinted account. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.